Welcome to SI Tutorials. In this video, we'll walk through the steps to install KEPServerEX version 6.6 on a Windows Server 2016 machine. Whether you're setting this up for the first time or reinstalling it, this guide will help you get everything up and running smoothly. First, let's download the installer. Open your web browser and go to the official KEPServerEX website. From here, download the installer for KEPServerEX 6.6. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder to locate the installer file. Now, let's begin the installation. Double-click on the installer file. If you see a user account control prompt, click Yes to allow the installation to proceed. On the welcome screen, click Next to move forward with the installation. Next, you'll be presented with the license agreement. Take a moment to review the terms. Once you're ready, select I accept the terms in the license agreement and click Next to continue. Now, choose the directory where KEPServerEX will be installed. When you're done, click Next. Here, you can choose which components of KEPServerEX you'd like to install. The default selection is typically recommended, but feel free to customize it according to your needs. When you're done, click Next. Just click Next to proceed. Click Install to begin. The installer is now copying files and setting up the necessary components. This part of the process may take a few minutes, so sit tight while the progress bar moves towards completion. And we're almost done. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a confirmation screen. Click Finish to exit the installer. Go ahead and open the application to confirm the installation was successful. After launching, you'll be greeted with the initial configuration screen. Here, you can start setting up your first project or server connection. To verify the installed components, go to the Help menu at the top and select Support Information, then click on Version. This will display a list of all the components that were installed during the setup. It's a quick way to ensure everything you need is ready to go. That wraps up the installation of KEPServerEX on Windows Server 2016. Thanks for following along. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and guidance on using KEPServerEX. See you next time.